Okay, man, we on a new car. This a Mazda 6, like a 07. So we gotta replace the starter on here. So I think the starter up in there somewhere. So I gotta remove all this crap to get down there. So y'all stay tuned, man. I can't prop the video up real quick because I ain't got a tripod. So I'm gonna record it in sections so y'all can see the stuff. Okay, y'all see, look, we got the old starter off. Old starter. And that mud was not in the place I was saying. It's right here. That's where it sit at, up in there. Right up under the hood. I mean, right by the, man, that's crazy. That placement is ridiculous. But
I don't think this fitted. That's how I ain't put it on right.
oh, shit. Okay, so this the old one. I'm finna go get the new one real quick. Yeah, hold on. No, you said what now?
That's how I just ain't using it right there. Motherfucker ain't going in there. It's only going one hole now.
Use this side. No.
I tried all the two sides.
This. Hold on. Mazda 6, man. Starter. Okay. Yeah. New starter, old starter. Let's make sure these ones the right one. Man, fuck just bit me. Okay. So we got that. Old, new. Now we finna go ahead and put it back up here so I can be done with this. Stay tuned, man. And just like that, we got a starter, you heard? Everything put back together the right way. Mister don't play, you hear me? Now let me get up out this sun, y'all. If y'all like this video so far, man, like, share, and subscribe to the channel, man. And we out. We gotta finish them brakes on there, but that's nothing. We out.